We are back to reality. I took the red eye from Hawaii, got no sleep, but there is so much unpacking, laundry, cleaning. The entire house just needs to get organized and reset. So you are in for tons of cleaning motivation all around the house today. So if you're feeling tired too, if you're feeling unmotivated, we are going to tackle this together. Let's go.
Hands are trembling right now.
Getting started in my room, I got clothes to put away and I want to have fresh sheets for the week. So we're going to get everything put away and strip this bed down. Sometimes it's the little things that make you feel like $1,000,000. And for me, it's falling into bed, smelling those crisp sheets, smelling that freshness after they were just washed. It's the best. But that's how I want you to feel this week too, like $1,000,000. So if you are not up yet, you got to get up, start cleaning with me. Let's take those sheets off your bed and let's have a fresh start today. I'm using the Arm & Hammer baking soda refresh spray on the mattress too. I like doing this so that it can air out while the sheets are being laundered, and it just makes the room smell so nice and clean.
Everybody always asks. These are from the swimsuit section of Target. And then the tops, this is just like a black compression tank from Amazon. And then this is a button up. I liked how the sleeves were a little more feminine from Amazon too. Just kind of easy to throw on. Still look put together, but very easy to like move.
Next, I'm gonna give everything in here a quick dusting. Not a super intense deep clean today, but I really like the cedar and sandalwood scent from Method. It's really nice. It has a more elevated luxury kind of scent and feel, and that's the vibe I want, so that's what I've been using lately for cleaning my home. But let me know down below, what is your favorite cleaner scent? I wanna hear from you in the comments. And if you've got it, pick it up and start dusting with me. I also lit a couple of candles that I had gotten. If you are interested, I just posted a fall Bath & Body Works haul with a review of all the best scents that they have. Be sure to go check it out before you place an order. The room looks a little disheveled because she is. She's been working hard lately. I was trying to do each of the kids' laundry separately just because then it makes it easier, I feel like, time-wise, instead of having to sort everything. Plus, I wanted to do my sheets and my towels, so there's just a lot of laundry to do today, but it's pretty standard around here. I'm curious if you've ever totaled it up. Approximately how much laundry do you do each week? Like, how many loads of laundry do you do every single week? I'm curious. Let me know down in the comments. Now moving into the family room. This just needed to get tidied up. The kids and I have been feeling a little jet-lagged after we got back from Hawaii, so we had vegged out for a little bit when we had gotten back, and this just needed to get straightened up in here. And I'm going to use that same Arm & Hammer baking soda refresh spray just to keep it smelling really nice and clean in here.
We're sharing this cake. Eat it straight from your lips, no plate. I'm first class, looking like a Barbie.
Moving into the kitchen. There is nothing that makes me feel like I have it together more than a clean and tidy kitchen. So I just wanted to clean off all the countertops, wipe everything down, also take out the trash to keep it smelling fresh, and just get all of the dishes put away so that the kitchen is nice and reset.
You
I'm getting so thirsty. I'm gonna make one of my Ultima replenisher drinks. And a huge thank you to Ultima for sponsoring today's video. I love these drinks because I feel like it is just the easiest way to have a healthy habit of staying hydrated that taste amazing. So easy to make. That is so good. I am loving the pink lemonade flavor at the moment, but they have so many other flavor options. And you guys know this about me if you've watched my videos for a while. I have a really hard time drinking plain water, but it is so important to stay hydrated, especially just so that your body has the energy to do the things that you need to do around the house, like all of the cleaning and taking care of the kids and the fur babies, all the things. So that's why I really like Ultima, because it has 0 calories, 0 carbs, 0 sugar, doesn't have the artificial sweeteners. It's made with plant-based ingredients and it tastes really, really good. And this is just such a simple thing to incorporate into your everyday routine to stay hydrated and feel better and feel healthier. I'm gonna actually have right on the screen a QR code that you can scan, or there's also a link down in my description box below. But if you scan that code or use my code BriannaK20 at checkout, you will get 20% off of your order. So thank you again to Ultima for sponsoring today's video. Keeping me hydrated to finish cleaning in this video.
I was feeling hopeless, I was feeling broken, couldn't see where I was going, almost fell apart. That is when I found.
While I put the dishes away, just a little summer break update. We had a really nice vacation in Hawaii. It was wonderful to go back and catch up with our friends there and just have lots of beach time, go back to a bunch of our favorite restaurants and places, and it did go by way, way, way too fast. I wish we had more time on Oahu. That's the island where we used to live. I cannot wait to go back to Oahu again. But the sheets are done, so let's get them put back on this bed.
있었던 그 수많은 밤을 말이야 아무도 없던 내게 따스히 다가와준 그 모든 의미를 난 잊지 않아 I might be reaching for the stars but whenever I'm with you doesn't matter where I am I follow the voices in my heart I feel you're always here by my side I know that you are glorious, glorious. I know that you are glorious. I'm all in this time, all in this time. On top of the world, let's save every moment.
Time to fold some of the laundry too. I waited until I had a few of the loads down so I could batch fold, just kind of get in a folding mode. So if you are like me and always have some kind of basket of laundry that needs to be folded, go grab it and we'll have a laundry folding party together. So before I went to Hawaii this summer, I was invited to be on the Chats with Clark podcast, and Joe, the host, was asking me what my favorite thing is, and I said sunrises and sunsets. So he was like, let's do our interview down by the lake at sunset. And it was so pretty. We talked for like over an hour. He asked so many questions, but the podcast is posted over on his YouTube channel. So if you are interested in hearing us talk about a lot, I mean, everything from when I was little until now in front of a really beautiful sunset, you can go check out that episode. I'll have it linked down in the description box below so you can go check it out.
On top of the world, let's save every moment. Nothing can break us apart. Let us show. 춤을 추며 노래 do whatever I like because I have you right by my side. I know that you are.
I figured I would show you guys the couple souvenirs that we got from the trip, one of the things I always really like to do any vacation we go on is to get a Christmas ornament or two. Just as you're decorating the tree, you can kind of relive that memory of that trip or that travel experience. And this one in particular is gonna go to Hayden someday because ever since we watched Moana, which we actually didn't watch until we moved to Hawaii and saw the, you know, rooster hey hey. We always associate anytime we see the chickens running around in Hawaii that's our hey hey too. Then if you haven't followed me for a while, you might not have seen these videos, but when we lived in Hawaii, I miscarried what would have been our 4th baby, and I don't know, just kind of felt like it was a girl energy to me when I was kind of grieving the loss of it, and it just helped to kind of put a name to that baby. So I named the baby Anela, which is the Hawaiian girl name for angel. And when I was walking on the path in Maui, all these butterflies were flying around, and that was kind of the little sign I got from her after I'd lost the baby that week. So whenever I see a butterfly, I'm always like, oh, there's my little Anela, angel baby. Well, Presley wanted to get her nails done, and we made an appointment at this nail place. We got there, there was a sign up on the door when the Uber driver let us out that said, sorry, due to an emergency, we have to close today. Luckily, he didn't leave yet though, and he was like, here, I know another nail place, it's, you know, pretty close by. So he drove us to that one. So sweet of him. Like, the ride had actually already ended, and I was like, how on the app can I, you know, recall you? And he's like, no, it's okay, I have no problem taking you. So I just made sure I gave him like an extra tip on the Uber app, because I asked if he had a Venmo and stuff too. He's like, no, it's okay. So I just gave him a really good tip on the Uber, because I was like, that's so sweet. But I just love when humans show you that good humans still exist. Anyways, ADHD sidetrack. We get to the second nail salon. Since we didn't have an appointment, they told us there was going to be a wait. There was a cute little gift shop in the plaza, so that's where we found a couple of these other things that I got. But for the baby that we lost, this little angel, it's like a little Hawaiian seashell angel, Christmas colors. I thought that was perfect, and kind of like in little girl colors too. So my nail ornament. Then also in the gift shop, Presley picked this out for Hayden because Hayden is my little moon child. He loves looking at the moon with me, and we just thought this was so cute. She's like, that would look so cute in Hayden's room, because he kind of has a beachy boho style to his room, and as soon as he saw it when we showed him in the hotel room, he was so excited. And then Presley told me I should get this for my bathroom, and I actually do think it goes really cute and kind of like my beachy boho bathroom, so I'm gonna hang that in there when we clean it. And then the last thing we got, I thought this was so cute. It's a little like picture frame that says Hawaii on it, but I just thought that was really pretty, so I have to figure out which picture I like the best of our family. We did a little like family photo shoot on the beach the one day, so I'll probably put one in there, and I want to put this in my room, I think. It was just such a good trip. I'm so grateful for the memories. I'm also really, really grateful that our summer nanny came along with us. She was just such a wonderful addition, so that I could do some one-on-one special times and dinners and activities with each of the kids, like going to get our nails done. Landon and I did his first omakase the one night, because he's really into sushi right now, and he'd never done an omakase before. I mean, I'd never even done one until it's like around my birthday, I think, when I was on a work trip that I got taken to one. And it was a really cool experience, and so I wanted him to be able to do that too. So that was one of the things we did, because everything just, it tastes so much better in Hawaii than what you're gonna get here in Cleveland. So wanted to take advantage of that opportunity while we were there. I put a post on Instagram, and it's just wild to see, especially Hayden, like he was such a little baby when we were there. I mean, 6 weeks old was when we moved. So to kind of go back to the same beaches and see how much they've grown every single time we come back, it's just like my mama heart is going through it right now, all the feels. And they're starting school right now. The countdown is like a week away. When you're seeing this is when their first day of school is, and Hayden's going into kindergarten. And I just feel like, especially because he's my baby, it's just such like a big milestone. Why am I crying? Anyways, I'm sure you guys feel that as moms too. When there's the start of a new school year, all of those milestones make you stop and pause and think, oh my gosh, my baby's getting so big now. And it is such a privilege to watch them become themselves. Like, I just am the luckiest mom in the world that I got those 3. So, but okay, you didn't click in for a chat with me. I will continue cleaning. Let's go.
All right, in Hayden's room,
And I'm thinking that little corner is probably the best place for his moon.
Sundown and salty cheeks. It's not a cute look getting kicked out of the bar when you're no longer 19. Still acting like a child, feeling like nobody gets it. I always start these fights, don't hate my guts right now, 'cause I'm still figuring it out. You're the silver lining when I can't seem to find it. When the whole world is against me, you're not. And baby, you're the bright side when there's no God in the sunshine. You're always around to pick me up. You're the silver lining. You're the silver lining. Small talk on busy streets. Right now, I don't even know if I deserve you. Sometimes I wonder what you see, 'cause I'm still acting
Nice little
like a
spot for that,
child.
right? Kind of offsets the pictures and goes with the vibe good.
Let's do a quick sweep of these floors and we can finish this on a sweet note. Thank you so much for cleaning with me today and for being here and supporting my channel. It truly means the world to me and my family, and I am so grateful that you're here watching these videos and that you're part of our community. If you have any video requests, I know you guys are wanting some fall videos, you better let me know what you want down in the comments. I'll see you soon.